Hello, here's a very quick video about PL300 exam questions. And we have a data model with sales, date, customer, sales aggregate. This is a typical question where they are asking you several load types for the tables, and then they are requiring you to refresh, and they're given what is the frequency of refresh. They ask you customer should be refreshed daily, date every 3 years, sales must be near real time, and sales aggregate must be refreshed once per week. So there are some requirements that they are asking. It should be minimizing the load time of visuals and ensuring the data requirements regarding the refresh are met. So then they're gonna show you what are the options you have for customer. For example, what was the customer they are asking is the refresh daily. So daily is not as frequent as real time. So directly the query is for the real time or almost nearly real time. So that's why we say that sales is the real time. So we already know that the direct query is going to be on the sales. Then for the customer, I would go to with the dual, because it's changing daily, and it's not static, and it's not real time. So dual for the customer. When it comes to date, it's changing once every 3 years, must be refreshed once every 3 years. And that means that for 3 years, we're not going to touch it with as can keep in cache. So it's not as heavy that it can impact our performance of our Power BI. So we keep in cache, we keep in import model, and then the latest one is sales aggregate must be refreshed once per week. Here also we can go with the dual mode, because it has some attributes that are from the sales, and which is changing near real time. So in this case, let's keep it dual. Again, the first one is dual, direct import, direct query, and dual. Let me know what you think about this in the comments, so we can talk about it if you think that answer should be differently.